Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please go subscribe. And this video is just a drop fade with one clipper. Basically, if you don't know my channel, I just do videos with basically trash clippers which is below 20 bucks, 10 bucks. Just to tell you guys it's possible, nothing is impossible. So basically, you have to give an outline of your hair, like the shape. Whatever clipper you use, make sure you put the outline of the hair. That's gonna give the hair the shape, the looks. So give the hair a good outline. It's very important to give any haircut. Give your hair a good outline. Now guys, I'm using the lever open, no guard. Lever open with no guard. Then to blend it out, I use all the way closed. Using the corners of the clipper, just tap the base of the line. You don't have to go all the way up, just the base of the line. Tap the base of the line. Now this is the first guard, 3 millimeters. If you don't know, it's just 3 millimeters, not 0.5. That's what I have. I have 3 millimeters and 6 millimeters and 12, 15 with this clipper. So I use 3 millimeters, mostly 3 and 6. Then I go with my overcomb to get the bulk out, you know. So this 3 millimeters just going all the way around the hair. So guys, there's no excuse. If you have whatever clipper you have, Remington and these Wahl, bro, you can do a good job, bro. Like this clipper is like a Walmart clipper of 20 bucks, as I said. All my videos are just basically trash clippers, like 20 bucks, 15 bucks. Just to tell you that, bro, you can get a good haircut with whatever clipper you use. As long as you master the clipper, bro, you're gonna do a good job. So if you're at home right now, you can't cut your hair because the barber or stuff, you don't have a good clipper, bro, you have to try a couple of times, and trust me, you're gonna see the end product is gonna be good. So this, I'm now using my overcomb to get as much bulk off the bottom, because as I said, I don't have 0.5 guard. I'm using my overcomb. Then after the overcomb, I try to use the lever open no guards to blend up those bottom lines. You see that right there, the bottom lines are still thick. At the end of the day, you see the bottom lines will be a little bit fade away because I used the lever open no guards to blend out that line, the hash line. So still using the overcomb to tap on the base, you know. You see now I'm starting to tap on the line, just like this. Just tap, 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 and boom, it's gonna be a perfect blend. Gonna get the hair blended out well. So my client or my friend doesn't want the top to be touched. So in this video, the top is not gonna be touched. She wants to braid it or stuff, I don't know. So I'm gonna leave the top like this, line the hair, and get away, you know. No time is money. You don't have to waste your time trying to, just as long as your work is good, you're satisfied with your work, done. Just line up ahead. Guys, you can see the clippers. These are cheap ass clippers of $10. So, bro, you got no excuse. You have to use what you have to get what you want, you know? So, as I said, all my videos are just basically with clippers like this, trying to perfect my skill and trying to get a good haircut. So it's just a win-win, you know? And when you're ready to go to the big stage, then you can get your Andes liners and all these expensive clippers, you know? Like 360 GZ uses good clippers, and Chris and all these Get Beamed, all these great barbers, you know? So I respect them, but I have to use what I have for now to get there, you know? So if you're new to this channel and if you watch the end of the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, get into 1,000 subscribers, that's the goal, and try to put more contents like every week, that's the goal too. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next week. Stay blessed, stay home, wear your masks, wear your gloves, sanitize your hands, wash, do whatever you have to do, and God bless.